What's up, my peep? ¿Qué es lo que hay, mi gente? Tenemos que hacer unos pedazos de fence que se cayeron. We're gonna fix a couple pieces of fence. Aquí. So, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 pedazos tenemos que poner que están dañados. Alright, 3 pieces we gotta put in because they're falling apart. See? They're right there. Míralo ahí. Okay, let's do it.
Master Reyes, that's my daddy.
El Señor te me cuide, te me proteja, te me dé mucha salud, pero muchas bendiciones, mucha abundancia a ti y a los tuyos. Y que Mamá María te me arrope con
y yo estoy aquí para mostrarle mi realidad. Si yo no transito sendero de vanidad, y si me ven manejando por la ciudad, repartiendo alegría a quien pueda necesitar. Y yo estoy aquí para mostrarle mi realidad. Si yo no transito sendero de vanidad, y si me ven manejando por la ciudad, repartiendo alegría a quien pueda necesitar.
Love you, Dad.
Taking a lot of time. Just gotta break this thing up. Todo esto es concreto. Todo esto. Tengo que sacarlo de ahí. Here's a piece. Un pedazo, mira que yo saqué ya. I have to take this whole piece out so I can put the new post in. Tengo que sacar este pedazo para poner el palo nuevo aquí adentro, concreto. Mucho trabajo. That's when you need Dre. Soldier, the Jamaican soldier, Dre. He come over here and knock that out in 2 seconds. we put this piece in. No está tan perfecto, pero entró el pedazo porque estamos sacando todos los viejos, el cemento de los viejos para poner los nuevos. So you know it's not Mr. Perfect or anything like that, but we're taking out the old concrete so we can put in the new post. So where the posts are at, that's where the old concrete is. We got to pull it out. Montar los palos viejos, estos palos que aguantan. Tenemos que sacar todo el cemento de abajo. Ustedes vieron. So tengo que sacar todo ese cemento que está ahí abajo porque los palos se rompieron. Tengo que sacar todo ese cemento y poner palo nuevo y poner cemento nuevo. Let's keep it going. So, este concreto que tengo que sacar, this is the concrete I have to take out. So, take this thing out now. I dug all around it, take it out, put the post in, level it, and put some more cement. Nice glasses. Good job. Let me see. There you go. Look cool. You too? Let me see. Come here. Let me see. Oh, nice. Los lentes. Nice. You're fine. Yep. I'm going to work with Daddy. You're working with Daddy. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Okay, second one in. Oof. Nice and straight. Está directo, está directo. Último pedazo ahora. One more last piece in to go. That last piece right there. Ya casi, el último pedazo. Let's keep it going. So lo que yo hago es hago el hoyo y pongo el palo adentro y pongo este cemento seco y pongo la tierra para atrás y Rossy solamente le echa agua y ya, en un par de horas está durísimo ya. So I'm explaining to them in Spanish that I dig out the hole, right? Put the 4x4 in there, right? Measure it out, cut it, okay? And then I put cement around it, level it out and everything, put cement, dry cement, just put it in there. I don't wet it or anything like that. I used to before, I used to mix it up and everything, but that's just too much work. This is much easier. Put the whole bag in there of cement all the way around the pole, and then put the dirt back in and put the water over top. And it'll dry within a couple hours and you're good to go. Okay, all done. Not the best job in the world, but it's just something emergency. They need to get it done for their dogs so they don't get out. So now the only thing we gotta do. Eso no fue una cosa de otro mundo. Eso fue solamente para que los perros no salgan porque se estaba desbaratando esa área. Es solamente para eso, para que los perros no salgan. Ahora vamos a arreglar esto aquí. Ponerle como una tabla aquí a cubrir ese hoyo. We're just going to put a piece of plywood there, that way it covers up that area. That should be about it. Let's keep it going. Get those Jaques, the little ones. Yep. Good. Yep. Go put it in the garbage and dump in the trailer. Good job, Jolin. Good job, Jaques. Yes, sir. Good job. Good job, Jaques. Wait, there's more. Yep. 2 more pieces, Jaques. And Jolin, come on. Go get it. Yep. Good job. Thank you. Okay, now we're all done. And then I put a piece of plywood over here for now. Screwed it in. Le puse este pedazo de madera aquí para que los perros no salen por ahí. I'll put this in, that way the dogs don't come out through here. This is just temporary because they're gonna get all new white fence anyway, new vinyl. Esto es temporario hasta que ellos buscan estos nuevecitos. Ok, seguimos.